Hello everyone, this video is from Preeti Academy International School for Standard 7th Subject Maths. In this video, we are going to study exercise 1.4. Question number 1. The product of two integers is 270. The product of two integers is 270. Products means multiplication. But if we are multiplying the two integers, we are getting the answer as 270. One of the integer is minus 18. One of the integer is minus 18. The value of one number is minus 18. We have to find the other integer. So that after multiplying both the integers, we should get the answer 270. So, solution is product of two integers is equals to 270. The value of one integer is minus 18. To find the other integers, we will simply divide 270 by minus 18 and get the value of other integer. So, other integer will be equals to 270 divided by minus 18. 270 divided by minus 18. Your final answer comes to minus 15. So, the value of other integer is minus 15. The value of other integer is minus 15. Second, find an integer which when multiplied by 4, we have to find an integer which when multiplied by 4 and then divided by 9 becomes minus 28. The answer should be equal to minus 28. So, solution, let the integer be x. I am considering the integer value be x. So, according to the given condition, the integer should be multiplied by 4 and then divided by 9 will be equals to minus 28. So, x into 4 divided by 9, answer is minus 28. X into 4 is 4x. X into 4 is 4x divided by 9 is equals to minus 28. So, we can write this as 4x upon 9 is equals to minus 28. Here 9 is in division, goes to right hand side, comes in multiplication. So, the equation becomes 4x equals to minus 28 into 9. Now, 4 is in multiplication. As it goes to right hand side, it comes in division. So, minus 28 into 9 upon 4. So, we are applying the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 sevens are 28. So, our final answer minus 7 into 9 is equals to minus 63. So, the other integer, the value of integer is minus 63. Next, third sum. If the quotient obtained by dividing an integer, if the quotient obtained on dividing an integer by minus 9 is minus 8. If we are dividing a certain number by minus 9, we are getting the answer as minus 8. We have to find that number. We have to find that integer. So, here is the solution. Let the integer be x. We have considered as integer be x. So, x divided by minus 9 is equals to minus 8. So, we can write this as x upon minus 9 is equals to minus 8. Here minus 9 is in division. As it goes to right hand side, it will be multiplied. So minus 8 into minus 9, minus minus gets cancelled, and 8 into 9, we get the answer 72. So the value of integer is 72. Thank you everyone.